I called last night. You guys work with me to work together. He said, okay. God save me. God save me.
There was a 9-foot retaining wall. It was a 90-degree collapse onto the workers.